Dear student, in this topic, we will see different terms related to rolling contact bearing. The first one is rated life of bearing, represented as L90 or L10. The rated life of group of identical bearing is defined as the number of revolutions that 90% of the bearing will complete or will exceed before the first evidences of the fatigue crack in the rolling element. It is given by L90 or L10. L90 refers to 90% reliability and L10 refers to 10% failure. The next term is average life of bearing and is represented by L50. The average life of group of identical ball bearing is defined as the number of revolutions that 50% of the bearing will complete or exceed before the first evidence of fatigue crack in the rolling element. The next parameter is static load carrying capacity. It is load on the bearing when its stationary static load carrying capacity is defined as the static load corresponding to the total load of deformation equal to 0.0001 times the ball bearing. The next parameter is dynamic load carrying capacity. It's defined as the radial load on the radial bearing or actual load on the thrust bearing that can be carried for a minimum life of 1 million revolution. So these are the parameters related to rolling contact bearing. Thank you.